clicked on links. This is has a lanyard on it so you can hang it from things. You can carry it around if you want to, if you're going to theme parks, because this is a fan. Not only is this a fan, it has multiple speeds, it is also a charger. It has a USB-A and a USB-C. You can use both of those to either charge this or to charge something else. It also has a flashlight. Oh, you know what? This has to be closed because when it's open, the fan's going to come on. Oh, there we go. And then it has the flashlight. So this has been in my bag, one of the longest running things I've had in my bag. I used to carry this on the plane with me, but it has a little weight to it. So most of the time I will put it in my bedtime bag, and you've seen that probably in other videos. But this is a really handy thing to have in my bag.